So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with online. Guys, all websites are saying about investments and you will make money online. You just work on it and at the end you don't have any money, you don't have anything in your hand. Guys, it is very safe browser or it is very clever browser to use. You just use it and you will get your money. So guys, I will give you an information about Netbox.Global. Guys, what is Netbox.Global? Netbox.Global is a browser. You just search on Google what is Netbox.Global. You will get your every information about Netbox.Global. You just search on Wikipedia. You will get every information. Guys, I will make money on this browser in just a week. Guys, you can download this browser from anywhere, but I will give you a link. You just click on the link, you just download the browser and you will get your NBX coin for free. 20 NBX coin I will give you, or daily I will give you 20 NBX coin for free. You just go on my channel, just click on the link and you will get your NBX coin. You will get your Netbox account. Guys, how to sign in, how to make a wallet, I will give you every information in other videos. Guys, you just go on the videos and you watch till the end. You will get your information and you will get an account for Netbox.Global, how to change mnemonic phrase, how to save. Guys, it is very safe site for use. You will give you email, you will give you password, your account will always save. Guys, just click on the link. You will get your NBX coin for free and you will get your Netbox wallet. So guys, hurry up, don't waste time, make money from today. So guys, I will make an account on Netbox wallet. Guys, my current balance is 0 because I will make an account for you. You just go on my channel, just click on the link, you will get your NBX coin wallet. Here your balance is 20 NBX coin. Guys, you just click on the description, you will make an account and you just create a wallet and you just make money from today. So guys, thanks for watching. Like all the videos and subscribe to my channel.